Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to my watch vlog. This is my dedicated YouTube channel to my ongoing beginner's journey in the world of watches. And for today's episode, I have something very special for you. We are going to unbox and check out the Seiko Dark Manta Ray Samurai. Exciting. Let's go. By the way, before we get started with this watch, I did an unboxing and on-wrist review of the Dark Manta Ray Seiko Turtle. So if you haven't seen that video yet and you might want to watch that one first so you kind of get like a vibe for what this watch is going to be all about. Okay guys, so this is the box, a black blue Seiko box. If you pop it open, bam, you have the watch over here, but you do have the Prospect Save the Ocean logo here at the middle. This is an initiative that aims to raise funds for ocean conservation, which is something that Seiko has been passionate about through the years. Now, this is a closer look at the piece. And like what I mentioned earlier about what a samurai looks like, if you put it side by side with this other samurai that I have, you can see the similarities, the angular lug thing over here. I don't know what it's officially called. And then if you take a look at the design of the hour and minute hand, you also see that over here. It is a bit sharper, it is a bit more angular, and it does look like some sort of sword. Now, just like what the name implies, this is called the Dark Manta Ray, primarily because if you take a look at the dial, take a closer look, it resembles an ocean. And then if you take a closer look, there's a shadow. There are shadows of manta rays swimming underneath. Oh, that looks really nice. Looks really stunning. Now, it is called Dark Manta Ray because if you take a look at the color, you do have black and blue. And the ocean color itself is a bit more faded, a bit more darker compared to the glossy finish of the first version of this that came out. Not the Dark Manta, but the Save the Oceans Manta Ray version that came out a couple of months back. Now, if you ask me, I honestly prefer this one versus that one because that one's a bit too shiny, the color, in my opinion. Now, which is better, this one or the turtle version? Ultimately depends on what it is that you like in your watches. If you ask me, if it were down to my subjective taste, I prefer this one, primarily because I just love the look and the sharper design of the samurai. And that's probably the reason why I kept this. And the turtle one I actually ended up selling. Let's just go over some of the details. If you take a look at the case diameter, this one is 45 mm. It is 13.4 mm thick. So it's not the thinnest watch, nor is it the smallest watch, but it does look really good on my 8.5 or 8-inch something wrist. So if you take a look at that, here's for reference. So it looks very nice, but people who have smaller wrists might have a problem rocking it because, again, it is 45 mm. It's 200 meters water resistant, and the crystal is sapphire, so it is scratch resistant, and the bezel gives you that satisfying click sound every time you turn it. It has this nice blue silicone strap, and if you take a look at the buckle, it's neatly branded Seiko over here, that one, and over there at the main buckle itself. And powering this watch is actually the Seiko Caliber 4R36 automatic movement. That gives you 41 hours of power reserve, 24 jewels, and it's just a nice all-around movement from Seiko, automatic movement from Seiko. Now, who is this watch for? Well, if you ask me, if you like black and blue watches, it's definitely something to already consider. But primarily, the audience for this one are people who are really passionate about the ocean and who really love that particular, advocacy and that cause, because it's a great statement piece. It's a nice watch that won't set you back like tens and tens and tens and tens of thousands of pesos. For example, like the Alpina Sea Strong Gyre, which sells for like over, 80,000 pesos. This one, you can buy it for less than 30,000, though I'm not sure if it's still available in Seiko shops here in the Philippines. I heard that this one sold out really fast, this Samurai edition. Even the Turtle edition sold out fast. But if you guys want one, you might want to check out the different shops of atTokyo. They're my favorite multi-brand watch shop, and I was able to get this piece from them a couple of weeks back. It's just been a while, so I just haven't done the video on this one, but I've had this actually for several weeks now. But yeah, it's a really nice watch. Very nice piece. I guess for people who love the ocean and who have that advocacy, you might want to check this one out. And if you can't find this, the good news is there are a lot of watches who share a similar passion, who share a similar advocacy. just pick the one that, you know, talks to you the most and fits your budget. So what do you guys think of the Seiko Dark Manta Ray Samurai? Do you prefer it over the turtle version? Let me know in the comment section. As usual, I'll try as much as possible to reply to as many of you as much as I can. Sometimes the comments are too many and it's hard to reply to every single one, but I try my best, okay? So yeah, there you go. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment. It really helps out with the algorithm of YouTube in promoting this video and promoting the channel. Guys, this is Carlo signing out. I have a bunch more vlogs coming your way about watches in the next few days, so make sure to watch out. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom. Oh.